Hello traders, welcome to my channel to watch a new video with this binary options strategy. Reading your comments, I see that you're interested in the strategy and the consistency you can have using it. Today I started my day with this trade, which I see that I entered very late and I do not like how it looks, but let's see how it closes. Now, let's take 3 trades today and see how we close the day using only this strategy. Taking into account that each trade is 10 minutes, it would be 30 minutes of trade plus the time it takes for all the indicators to be given. That's why I only record 1 trade, since it takes a long time to be in front of the computer waiting for a good opportunity. And I think that is what makes the strategy profitable. The longevity of the chart. On this occasion, I will take the blame and say that it was my mistake to enter the trade too late. We see that the moving averages crossed earlier, and I still decided to enter and had very large losses. I have 2 more trades to go. Let's see how I do. For those who are new and do not know how the strategy works, I will give a brief explanation. But first, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the progress with this strategy and many more. To get started with the moving average strategy, we'll need to set up the chart. First, we'll need to use a 5-minute time frame and Japanese candlesticks. Then, we'll add 2 moving average lines. The first line will be a simple moving average with a period of 75 and shown in blue. The second line will also be a simple moving average but with a period of 85 and shown in pink. Lastly, we'll activate the MACD indicator and change its values. We'll set the fast period to 15, the slow period to 26, and the signal period to 1. That's it. Now we're ready to look for trading opportunities. The strategy is based on opening a signal in the direction of a strong trend. To determine the market trend, we'll use the MACD indicator. If the MACD line is below the 0 level, it means the trend is bearish, and we should only open sell signals. The trade is triggered when the moving average lines cross each other. We should wait for them to confirm after the crossing and immediately open a signal in the direction they are moving. This strategy provides us with accurate signals, and it's perfect for beginners. It's important to consider the time frame you are trading in. Different time frames can provide different signals, so it's crucial to choose the right time frame that aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you are a short-term trader looking for quick profits, you may choose to use a shorter time frame such as the 1-minute or 5-minute chart. On the other hand, if you are a long-term investor, you may opt for a longer time frame such as the 15-minute or 30-minute chart. And to further enhance the accuracy of the strategy, you can use additional technical indicators or tools that complement the signals generated by the moving averages. For example, you could use the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to identify overbought or oversold conditions, or the Stochastic Oscillator to gauge the momentum of the market. These indicators can provide confirmation or divergence signals, helping you make more informed trading decisions. You can see in my trade that the moving averages crossed each other, but I waited for the MACD to be above the 0 level to trigger my buy. If the MACD is not triggered, we do not enter the trade. It is better to wait a little longer for all the indicators to meet their target than to lose money. This trade was a winner, and we are 1-to-1. We have 1 more trade to finish my session today. Although the strategy is relatively straightforward, there are some rules to follow and mistakes to avoid. Here are some tips to maximize your profits and minimize your losses. 1. Never enter a trade when the MACD line does not meet the strategy. 2. Always wait for the moving average lines to confirm the trend. 3. Only open a signal in the direction of the trend. 4. Set the expiry time to 10 minutes for maximum profitability. 5. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Believe me, these little tips will help you a lot in your growth as a trader. One of the key advantages of the strategy is its simplicity. This strategy is straightforward to understand and implement, making it suitable for traders of all skill levels. Whether you are a novice trader looking to get started in the world of binary options or an experienced professional seeking to optimize your trading approach, the moving average strategy offers a reliable and effective solution. I've been waiting about 30 minutes for another entry. This tests my patience, but if I can control myself, it will be worth the wait. In this trade, we see that the moving averages cross each other and the MACD is in a good position, below the 0 level, which confirms my entry. Now, if this entry is a winner, it leaves us with 2 to 1, and that in binary options is a lot. Since I'm placing $1,000 trades, I am risking quite a lot per trade. That pays the bills, so I hope I get a little luck, as all traders need a little bit of it. And if you want to try this strategy, I will leave you the link below the video of the broker pocket option or QUOTEX. Use the broker that you like the most. Open your account and send me your feedback about this strategy. And that's it. It was worth the wait. We have a winning trade. It was a bit nerve-wracking for a few minutes, but in the end, the indicators were met and the candles continued downwards. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video and leave your comments. I will take some of them for the next video.